Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be going to two different stores looking at clearance deals from Kobalt and Craftsman. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help us out by doing so. We're going to start here at the garden section, and then we're going to move directly to the Kobalt and to the Craftsman. So we got a blower here, deal here for $159. I believe it's two only. And then we got a Skil here for $149. So 14-inch string trimmer. I never seen these before here. I don't know why they're on clearance. I don't know if they're gonna kick them out, or if you guys know, down in the comment section, let me know. $139 for this Kobalt 40V max 15-inch cut cordless string trimmer. I got this one last year, not this one, but the older model, for like $54 last year. I don't know if you guys saw that video, if you guys are from the old subscribers. We got a toolbox there for $49. We got a tote here, $49.98. This Craftsman. So really nice tote, really pretty big actually. Yeah, looks really nice. We got a tool bag here for $19.98. This tool bag was gone at the other store, so seems like they're buying this a lot. So 16 inches. It's a really nice tool bag. It does have some pockets on the outside, so you can put some tools on the outside. And then we got this pliers, those lock pliers, $14.98. Then we got the Craig jig, $118. So yeah, it is the Craig Jig Master Systems K4MS, $118.15. And then we got the impact driver drill driver 2-tool combo kit for $157. Was $249. It is a brushless unit. I think it's the one on this side. I think that's the one. If not, then it's going to be something very similar to that. So just keep an eye out for that in case that's what you want to get. This is the impact driver for $99. With, I believe it comes with one battery, a charger, and a bag. So that's another good deal there. We got another $119 for this drill driver. I believe it's not a hammer drill, but it does come with the battery and the charger and a bag. And we got the oscillating tool for $79. I don't know if they're still running. I don't know if the oscillating tool qualifies for the free battery and the charger, but this impact driver does. And this drill and impact driver do qualify for that free 4 amp hour and a charger. And then you got that fan for $49. You got a ratchet for $79, which it qualifies for that free battery. Then you got a heat gun for $65. As you guys see there. We got some Skil here, $14.98, a 21 piece. So it's a gold oxide. Then we got a lot of bits on sale or on clearance. $440 for a bit, and then $827. Then pretty much all the the drill bits and the impact bits, you just have to take your time and look at every single one of them, because sometimes you'll find that kit, or that that the $5 or the $4 kit that you need. These are on clearance too, or on sale. Craftsman 15 amp, and then they got the Skil saw, which is one of the better ones, for $63. That's a killer deal. If you guys don't know the difference between Skil and Skil saw is the good one. It's the old brand, the better one. Skil is mostly DIY, the newer, power tools that they're coming out. So definitely Skil saw is the best one to get, especially at that price. Got a Kobalt 24V max, $60, mechanics light. I think it's still a little pricey, so there's a lot of lights to choose from here. And there's another light there. This is a Craftsman bare tool, $60. And then this is the deal, guys. I've made a video already about this. I can't say enough how good of a deal this thing. This is a great miter saw. At $166, it's practically, they're just giving it to you. So from $269 down to $166. Look at this thing. It is a dual bevel. It is a battery operated miter saw. So you're gonna need a battery, or maybe a bigger battery, but you know what? Still, it's a great deal. They didn't have any at this store. That's the 9 amp hour for $149. I believe it does qualify for that free battery deal and the charger. Got a circular saw for $129. Looks like an impact driver for $99. Impact driver. And a drill driver there for L95, I believe is the hammer drill. It's made in the USA. And all those tools qualify for that free 4 amp hour battery. Just remember, guys. If you guys didn't watch my video, I'll see if I can link it up above. But yeah, well, then they're giving you this for free. So you buy this $2.99 kit, the 4-tool combo kit, and they'll give you that radio for free. So that's the 4-tool combo kit, drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, and then you get in that radio. It's a really nice radio. It's a VersaStack radio, valued at $199. So that's definitely a great deal if you want to get into this line. If you're a DIY prosumer, you're professional but you don't use as heavy use. Now this is another good one here. This is the oscillating tool from Craftsman. This comes with the battery and the charger for $99. That's a really good deal too. So be sure to check it out. And it is a toolless change. If you guys seen the DeWalt one, it's very similar to that. It does have that handle at the bottom so you can release the blade. Like the video I have, I explain it a little bit more. I do have it on my channel. I'll see if I can link it up above. But you guys see that lever there? It's the same tool but just different. And then they had this on clearance at $13.20. This is a USB adapter so you can charge your phone with a drill battery. And we ended up getting that Bosch bit set there. But yeah, that's a really nice little device. And this is they got on clearance the chargers here for $31. And then they had the drill driver, and then they had that's the drill driver right there, 12 volts, 79 bucks. Then they had the impact driver and drill driver for $139, which is a great deal. And they got the batteries at the bottom. You guys see them there? So if you buy a drill driver, you get a free battery. See, I didn't know that. Power assist. So we went to, this is the second store we're going to be going to. We're going to be checking out some more Craftsman. And guys, we're going to have more videos of different brands. We're going to have DeWalt and Metabo and Bosch, because there's a lot of clearance deals on those too. So we'll stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned. Hit the bell icon so we can so you guys won't miss out on those deals too. So we got Craftsman 14-piece gold, $10.98. This is a really good deal if you want some bits. I personally didn't get them because I already got too many of them. But if you need, just grab a few extra because they always break. They always go dull. 63-piece 3/8 chrome socket set there with the VersaStack for. That's a good if you're on the VersaStack. And then they had this, $79 for the heat gun. And then $49 for the fan on the top, as you guys see. Same as the other store. I wasn't going to show the same as on the other store, but they got the drill driver there for $95. The impact wrench there for $99. You got the jigsaw up there for $129. And then they had the impact driver kit for $101 with 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. And those are the close-ups of the tags. That's the jigsaw. I don't think it's brushless. This one is brushless, so the impact. And this one's too brushless, the impact wrench. And they had the drill driver combo. I believe hammer drill combo. Then they had this bit here, this Airwin bit for $18.99. It's a nice like a logger bit or something like that. It's a really nice, made stronger. And then they had this one, 18-inch extension, 7/16 for 16. So you guys see there is an 18-inch. So if you need like to reach a place like that's really deep or something, you need something like that. They had it down to $48.21. Remember at the other store they had it for 60 something or 50 something. They have it at 48 here. So, and they had the circular saw, the Craftsman circular saw for $37. So make sure you guys shop around. If you guys want to show this video to your cashier, see if they can price match it for you. Just show them this part, because they might be able to price match it and give you guys that extra $10 or the $20 off. And there's that fan right there again for $49. Again, this is the other store, not the same store. Then they had this. This is the levels here, 24-inch for $9.98. This is a Craftsman. Then they had the little ones, the 9-inch for $4.98. And they had the Johnson ones too. Those are a little bit more expensive. Maybe the higher quality ones. Johnson 24-inch Pro Box beam level, $34.98. Then they had the Johnson, the gray ones for $698, as well as the 24-inch. So a lot of clearance deals, guys. They're redoing the whole thing. Then they had the $55 light there, a work light, and then they still had one of these batteries left, guys. These are running low. It's rare the Lowe's that has these, because they're selling a lot of tools, obviously. So, and that oscillating tool, it looks like it does qualify for that free battery there. So make sure you guys check that out. And we did end up buying the Metabo HTP deal. I'll show you guys that deal on the other video, on the Metabo deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one.